Hello friends, welcome to my kanji class. We will learn some more new kanji in this session. Let's start today's session. Today we will learn lesson 11. Let's see what are the kanjis we are going to learn in today's session. Look at this picture. Today we are going to learn these 5 kanjis. This is bamboo trees. So it developed the kanji like this. Present kanji is bamboo trees is this. What is this? Guess it. It looks like that rice. The kanji of the rice developed to this way. Can you guess what is it? If you visit to any seashore, you can see this. It is a shellfish. So the kanji of the shellfish developed to this way. I think you can understand what is this. This is looks like a stone. So the stone kanji is this. Do you know what is this? This is thread. So the thread kanji developed to this way. So in lesson 11 we will learn these 5 kanjis. Meaning of the kanji bamboo. Stroke orders given over here. Please follow it. Kunyomi take, onyomi chiku. Take. Take. Once again, take meaning bamboo. Takenoko. Takenoko. Once again, takenoko meaning bamboo shoot. Takeda. Takeda. Once again, takeda. It is a Japanese name. Meaning of the kanji rice, and this kanji also used for America. Stroke orders given over here. Please follow it while you are writing the kanji. Kunyomi, kome, onyomi, mai and bei. Kome. Kome. Once again, kome meaning rice. Komeya. Komeya. Once again, komeya meaning rice shop. Beikoku. Beikoku. Once again, Beikoku meaning USA. Nanbei. Nanbei. Once again, Nanbei meaning South America. Look at this kanji. This kanji looks like me and ha. Me kanji you already know. I and katakana ha. Meaning of the kanji shellfish. Stroke orders given over here. Please follow it while you are practicing the kanji. Kunyomi kai. There is no onyomi. Kai. Kai. Once again, kai meaning shellfish. Kaigara. Kaigara. Once again, kaigara meaning shell. If you want to remember this kanji, it looks like ichi, one kanji. This is katakana no and this is kuchi. This kanji is easy to remember. Meaning stone. Stroke orders are given over here. Please follow it while you are practicing the kanji. Kunyomi, ishi, onyomi, seki. Ishi. Ishi. Once again, ishi meaning stone. Kaseki. kaseki. Once again, kaseki meaning fossil. Sekitan, sekitan. Once again, sekitan meaning coal. Sekiu, sekiu. Once again, sekiu meaning petroleum. Meaning of the kanji: thread or string. Stroke orders given over here. Please follow it while you are practicing the kanji. Kunyomi ito, onyomi si. Ito, ito. Once again, ito meaning thread. Keito, keito. Once again, keito meaning woolen yarn. Itoguchi, itoguchi, itoguchi. Once again, itoguchi meaning glue. Menchi, menchi. Once again, menchi meaning cotton yarn. Now it is quiz time. Here some sentence I have given. Some words I have written in kanji which you learn in previous sessions and this session. Yes, there are some new kanjis like this and this. Here I am writing the reading of the kanji which will help you to read the word. Next, in this quiz I have written the words in kanji. Please write in hiragana and meaning of the kanji. These are the kanji new to you, but we already learned in this lesson. So please write down, okay, in hiragana and meaning of the kanji. Okay. I think you find this video useful. Just click the subscribe button and share with your friends if you think they can get benefit from this knowledge. Let's meet in next class with some more new kanji. Till that time, sayonara.